I've always been mechanical. I started early work as a bicycle mechanic. At the time I was working at the bicycle shop, I'm building drag race cars on the side. And I had a buddy that worked at an equipment dealer. And he said, hey, we need a mechanic and you're very good at what you do. Can you come over here and interview? So spent about 18 years as a diesel mechanic. What I love about the company is it's fast-paced and it's high-performing. I like being able to help people solve their problems and get up and going. One of the things that you may be asked is, what's going on with your engine? Did it fail? Did it wear out? Because what we offer is more of a consulting service than a parts counter. We want to know what's going on with your engine so we can recommend the best fix for you. We've been in the industry for a long time and we understand quality parts versus inexpensive parts. I like that we can offer people a different option. It's always been, hey, the OEM is the best. Well, we've found other options and the OEM isn't necessarily the OEM anymore. The OEM is obsolete. Our cylinder heads, for one example, with our reman program, every piece in the head gets replaced. It's brand new. Valves, guide springs, keepers, retainers, injector cups. So one of the things that you may not know is the majority of people out there are reusing those products to keep the price down. And if you're just searching the internet and searching on price, we're not going to be the lowest price, but we are going to be the best option to go another 1,000,000 miles. My name's Rob McDowell, and I am technical sales rep for Highway and Heavy Parts.